Hey, happy Friday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So if you hadn't seen this before, this is the first time you heard about this, we have these things called Playbooks. They're really amazing. Basically, what they are is they're an entire walkthrough, step-by-step on how to use a particular feature in the app to grow your business, start your business, sell that product or that feature, and we call them Playbooks. And today we're announcing the Social Media Manager Playbook. And so if you go to university.gohighlevel.com, so university.gohighlevel.com. Once you log into this is our course section. There's all the other playbooks here as well, but down here at the bottom is the brand new Social Media Manager Playbook. You can't miss it. And what's awesome about it, if we go back here to the notes, we will see that a couple of things here. So first up, you'll have the whole feature overview. So they'll walk you through connections, setup, make a post, all that stuff, social media tactics. So like how to create the offer around it, how to create the Linktree page, all of that stuff. And there's also a snapshot that's included as well to try to help you with all of this. The team does these to really help you, again, not just understand a feature, but also understand how to sell that feature to a customer. So anyways, definitely check it out when you get a chance. If you go to university.gohighlevel.com, I think you can sign up if you haven't already. It's all free. And it should be included in the left-hand menu, I think at the agency section already, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But either way, these are awesome ways to do this. I'm so pumped that the team made this happen. I hope all of you are having an amazing Friday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.